Hi my lovely, today we'll be making Ewedu soup, which is called Jute Leaf in ink. In a pot of boiling water, add 1 potassium into the pot and then add your wash Ewedu leaf into the pot and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After cooking, you can transfer into a blender and blend it until you achieve the texture. Then transfer back into a pot. This time I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of crayfish, half a teaspoon of bouillon cube, and then half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm adding Egusi melon seed. This is kindly optional. If you want to have it, you can add it into it. If not, you can skip that. In this recipe, I am omitting the locust bean, which is a rule, but you can add it as well if you want to add it. And there you go, your Ewedu soup is ready. You can serve it with any swallow of your choice. Jute leaf is very good for weight loss because of its low calorific content.